is.
2 cars behind. He is the 3rd car behind. You want to go east? We can do it now.
Yeah.
Let's do it now, guys.
We do, yeah,
Yep.
we do. Oh no! Oh my! Oh, they gotta be in the basement. Oh, this is terrible. Oh.
Oh, that's right through the yard. You hear that? Sounds like a freight train going through there, eh?
Sounds like a jet engine. That's
Yeah.
Sounds like a...
Well, hopefully they're not home. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, yes! On the right!
Get up under there, Ricky! Okay. Okay, Ricky, that's good.
Yeah. Look at that. On the right. Oh my God. Whoa! Slow down. Stop. Right there on the right. Oh. Stop the wipers. I think we're good.
Got ahead of us.
Yeah.
Might be backing up.
We are under a tornado.
Sure looks like it. Yeah, we're gonna blast up. Oh yeah, it's a wedge. Look at the rotation.
Yeah, we gotta give him. We're gonna keep going straight.
Go.
Go straight. Yeah, let's follow it, guys.
Get in.
Everybody in! Everybody in! Yep. Whoa, is that intense? Look at that. Go, come on, it's crossing the road right in front of us here. Debris! Debris!
It's coming up. That whole thing's coming up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're fine, Ricky.
You're fine.
Keep going. Why is this guy stopping?
That's it. Watch that car. Watch that car.
Go, Ricky. Oh, I got glass all in my sneaker. Oh,
I can feel shards hitting me.
Okay, watch out for the storm chaser.
Yeah.
go.
Give him a honk. Somebody knows we're going by 3.
Yes. Oh.
Whoa, it's gonna take out.
Okay,
Tractor.
stop here, don't you think?
Yeah.
Stop.
Whoa, look at that.
No, we're gonna get into the trees here. Should we
That's
stop
all right.
here?
No, keep going. We gotta get up close to this thing.
Yeah, look at that. Last road down the stage.
let's go! Another funnel right behind us! 2 on the ground! 2 on the ground! Oh yeah. Whoa, multi-vortex! Multi-vortex!
I gotta get good video.
No, for sure. My fault.
I just can only film so far to the left, you know.
I hope everybody's alright.
Slow down, Ricky.
Yeah. Yeah, take photos for you there. Or for a second. Slower, faster.
Slower, slower, slower. And when you get to a gap where there's no trees, you slow right down.
Okay, we're gonna run into trees, but then we're gonna go up on that side of the valley.
Okay.
Let's rock.
Got a little hill up ahead.
That looks amazing.
Okay. Right up to that curve. Go right up to that curve.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, horizontal vortex.
Ricky, pull,
Yeah,
stop.
oh,
Getting out of the car.
Yep.
That was a warning.
That was close.
Yeah, I saw it flash, man.
Yeah,